Okay, boys and girls, all week we have been talking about sentences and what they need. What are the two things sentences must have? Kyra, what's one of them? Okay, but we don't call it period because not every sentence is going to end in a period, is it? Is it? No, so what do we call that? Instead of calling it a period, what do we say it means? No, not every sentence is going to be a question either. What are those? What are periods and question marks called? End marks, okay? Or punctuation, okay? Either one of those would work. So yes, every sentence needs punctuation or an end mark of some sort, okay? But not every sentence is going to be a period, and not every sentence is going to be a question mark. You have to know it's just an end mark is what it means. You have to figure out if it's a question or a period. What else does every sentence need besides an end mark? Hudson? A capital letter where? Where does this capital letter go? Elise? The first letter of the first word, right? The first letter of the first word of a sentence has to be capital. Now today, luckily I think for you, you don't have to worry about the capital letter today. For your grammar today, all you are having to worry about is figuring out what kind of end mark each sentence needs. Or what kind of sentence is each sentence? Is it a question sentence or is it a telling sentence? Okay, remember, telling sentences end in periods, right? Question sentences end in question marks. If you need help and you're not sure if it's a question sentence, can you look at the first word of the sentence? Yeah, if the first word of a sentence is a question word, like on the poster in the back of the room, you should know it's a question, okay? So let's look. This says, add the correct end mark to each sentence. Write S if next to it if it's a statement. Write Q if it's a question. Okay, so we will do number 1 together. I will have you do the rest on, well, we'll do 1, 2, and 3 together. And then you will have to do the rest on your own. Understand? Yes? Okay. So, number 1, read it for me, please. Ryan reads a book. Is that a telling sentence to end with a period? Or is that a question sentence to end in a question mark? Is Ryan a question word? No. Let's read it again. Ryan reads a book. Are you just telling someone or are you asking that? Everybody? Telling. So this should end in a period. And so is that a statement or a question? Statement, so you're going to write an S too. You have to put an S on there too for the statement or question. You have to put an S on there too for a statement or a question. You're not erasing the period's still there, but you just put an S or a Q after it also. Okay? Let's do number 2. He goes to the library. Is this telling you something or is it asking you something? Telling. So that means we end in a? And that means, is this a question or a statement? So we put another S. Okay? Number 3. Who can go with can? Is that telling somebody something or is that asking?
Asking.
That is asking. That is a question sentence. So we have to end in a
Question mark.
question mark. And then we need to put a Q after it. Not an S, a Q.
You or
Just a Q. It doesn't say QU. In the directions, it just says Q. Okay? Do you all understand?
Yes.
Hey, this is a quiz. So when you get done, you need to raise your hand. Okay, and I'll come check it. Sound good?
Yes.
Okay. No talking.